that really just opened up so many different doors for me. So the first semester of our senior year, we do senior thesis, and what thesis is we get free range, again, to do a project, any project that we want. I wanted to find a way to combine all the things that I was interested in, and installation work was something that I really wanted to do, and I've always wanted to do it. And so once I learned that we were given this free project that we could do for the whole semester, I knew that it was the time that I could really put all my skills into one thing and really focus on it. As I work on it more, I've realized that it's like taking a lot of different forms. So I'm doing a projection into a box that I built from insulation foam, and the media that I'm going to be projecting into it is just an abstract animation that I'm making on Adobe Animate and a little bit of After Effects. My experience in 3D design has honestly been extremely life-changing. You know, it's kind of shaped or like reshaped my view on my entire portfolio.
Tireless mess, seeking thrills, getting biting when I'm in doubt. Pudgy face, kissing legs in the backseat. Wrinkled toss of the coin that I can't see. But forget out of you to be like me. Where around is enough for a family. I'll be fine on my own, she said. I don't need you inside my head. She'll be fine on her own.
And so I was kind of at a loss for a little bit. I was like, first of all, I was at a loss for like, am I doing this? Like, why am I doing this? Like, should I even be doing this? Which I think happens to a lot of artists when they're working on a project long term and they don't really have anyone like assisting them. Something I really credit, going back to my love for my 3D design class, is my final sculpture in 3D design. As I was building it, I became really fascinated with this kind of like depth and the shape that I was using and how everything was kind of intertwining with each other, and I was like obsessed with this shape and this stuff that I had created. And so I knew that I wanted to intertwine the two projects. So I started changing my animation and changing my media to kind of resemble more of the abstractness in my sculpture.